Hi, my name's Chris Cioli, and today I'm going to tell you about GoVote iOS. First, we're going to launch in, and the first thing we will see is the onboarding. So the first thing we're going to do is go through the various steps that will show the users before they choose whether or not they want to create an account in the application. And the first thing is showing the upcoming elections. Here we have a series of elections that you're able to tap on and get extra details. Following that, we have polling location, and inside of that we get not only polling location but early vote sites as well. So a user could find their current polling location, but then find places to go vote at least 2 weeks ahead of time as well. And then finally, we have a representatives page that shows multiple representatives, and here we're viewing the president, and we get not only the image and then the person's name and their title, but we also get links to their social accounts as well.
This is the election section on GoVote. It's based on your location. So this is a Delaware primary, and it has the name, and underneath of it has the date. So when you go ahead and click on the details, it'll go and have our details right here, and you can also click and add it to your calendar, and it'll go right to our date. So when we go and open the app again, we can go click on the icon, and it will give us information, educational news information about the elections. And then we can just go back and see what elections are near us.
Once a user's been logged in, they land immediately on the elections page. And from there, we have the ability to go to a couple of places, but right now we're going to go into the polling location specifically. And here we see this individual user's polling location. So we see the name of the location as well as the individual address. We see the hours that the polling location will be open, and then additional notes that are provided that will give the individual a chance to be ready for when they get there. So this one particularly says gymnasium on the right side. The voter entrance is at the Cedar Street gym entrance or Banning Street parking lot, and there's an accessible entrance at the same locations. We can also click on this address, and it will take us directly to where the polling location is here. So from here we can choose to navigate there if we like. And then additionally, if we go over to early vote locations, now we see places where we can go ahead of time and go vote at least 2 weeks in advance of when the actual election is. So for each one of these cells here, this is an individual location where this voter is allowed to go vote. And so we can see we have a couple of pieces of information here, namely the name of the location. We have an address. We have the hours that location is open for early voting. We have the dates that early voting is available, and then services, which indicates yes, it is early voting, and then an additional note that might give the user kind of some directions on how to get to that location. So this particular one is just north of Valencia College Lane. So we can also click on this address here, and that will take us directly to where the early vote location is located.
Okay, here is the My Representative screen for GoVote. It shows all of your representatives based off your polling location. So here are the ones for Delaware. We're going to click on Donald Trump. It gives you your name, what position he is, basically the President of the United States. The phone number you can click on, but you can't click on it in the simulator because the simulator does not have the phone. It only has a text message. And then it will go to the address, the White House. So then the website, it'll go to his website. And you can see his website right here. And then if you go to view Twitter feed, it'll pop up his Twitter feed right here. And then let's go back, and then we have it for all these other ones too. So you can see the picture, it's pretty cool. And then we have their links right here also. And then we have her right here too. Go to her website. And then her website will pop up. And then that's it for the representatives.